far, guy? Now, are you not the drink? Rest food day. For fridge.
I'll go to it, that's cool. And then, yeah, you should do this too. Small, man.
Hunger one kill the guy.
What? That's what I got since. Jesus.
Much later.
This guy's turning me on, man. Great crazy man. Can't tell I see what I'm saying. He's too big, man. Let's go there, man. Oh my god, this guy's turning me on, man.
I'm very stupid, I'm very foolish.
Boy. Remember you too much, man.
Hi guys.
Oh my god.
You guys are still drinking Gary.
Come join us. This will come join us.
No, I don't drink Gary again.
You put this one, let's go.
No, I bought food.
Jesus, this one is my phone.
God,
Jesus.
Don't break my phone, no, please. Don't break it.
Let's see the day, I beg. Let's see the day. Come, just sit down now. You know my read.
Let's to Lagos, so.
Lagos.
Afraid it told me to hook up.
You hook up. Is that back?
Channel. Channel.
See. This hook classic drill. This hook up. You go start them. Why? This night.
we must learn the lesson.
Who is this man that wants to jam me?
Hello, sexy ladies. Hello. How you guys doing?
I'm good. To see?
Could you turn around? Let me see.
Oh my god.
Hey, I say shake.
Oh my god.
Hello. How much do you collect for a night?
So I collect 1 million naira.
1 million naira?
Yes, sir.
Will you collect 500,000?
500,000. Hey, wait, I'm coming. Excuse me. Hello, Emeka. See, how much the iPhone 15 Pro Max?
What?
1.5 million naira.
What is doing you?
Hey.
I wonder.
Shinik, no, I will get back to you. Okay. Bye. See, 500,000 naira. iPhone 15 Pro Max, 1.5 million naira. Should work remaining. Okay, sir, let's start going, sir.
Okay, nothing now.
No, you're not going. Stop.
Please, only one person, please.
Let's go. Clarity on the beat.
Switch it over. Thank you, sir.
Many young men fall into trouble